Welcome back to Pi Academy. This is third video on real analysis based on limit, continuity and differentiability, and others videos link provided in the description box. In this video, I will discuss from question number 11 to question number 15. So, our question number 11. Let f maps R to R be a differentiable function such that f of 2 equal to 2 and mod of f of x minus f of y lesser equal to 5 into mod x minus y whole to the power 3 by 2 for all x belongs to R and for all y belongs to R. Let gx equal to x cube into fx, then g dash x equal to 5 or 15 divided by 2 or 12 or 24. JAM MA 2017. Now the solution. Given that mod f of x minus mod f of y lesser equal to 5 into mod x minus y whole to the power 3 by 2, that is this for all x y belongs to R. In this relation we put x equal to a plus h and y equal to a for all a comma h belongs to R. Therefore, mod f of a plus h minus f of a lesser equal to here a plus h minus a, that is h to the power 3 by 2. Since h is positive, therefore mod f of a plus h minus f of a by h, if we divided this by h, then we get 5 into h to the power half. This also tends to 0 as h tends to 0. Now the limit of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, that is the definition of f dash a, and this is equal to 0 for all a belongs to R. We have given that gx equal to x cube into fx, and we have to find the value of g dash 2, that is now gx equal to x cube into fx, therefore g dash x equal to this, and we have to find the value of g dash 2, therefore g dash 2 equal to 2 cube into f dash 2 plus 3 into 2 square into f of 2. Now f dash I equal to 0 for all a belongs to R, therefore f dash 2 is also 0, and this is 3 into 4, that is 12, and f of 2, and f of 2 equal to 2. It is given that f of 2 equal to 2, therefore we have g dash 2 equal to 24. Hence the option D is correct. Now I discuss about question number 12. Let f maps R to R be a polynomial of the form fx equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square, where a0, a1 and a2 belongs to R and a2 not is equal to 0. If e1 equal to integration minus 1 to 1 fx dx minus f of minus 1 plus f of 1, and e2 equal to integration minus 1 to 1 fx into dx minus half into f of minus 1 plus 2 into f of 0 plus f of 1, and mod x is the absolute value of x belongs to R, then which one is correct? That is the option A, mod e1 less than mod e2, or mod e1 equal to 2 into mod e2, or mod e1 equal to 4 into mod e2, or option number D, NET June 2015. So we have to find the value of e1 and e2. Proof. Let a0 equal to a1 equal to 0 and a2 equal to 1. Therefore we put this value in this polynomial fx equal to, if a0 equal to 0 and a1 is also 0 and a2 equal to 1, then fx equal to x square. Therefore and fx equal to x square. Now by the definition, by the given condition, e1 equal to minus 1 to 1 fx dx minus f of minus 1 plus f of 1, and here f of x equal to x square, therefore minus 1 to 1 x square into dx, and f of minus 1, if we put minus 1 in place of x, then it is 1, and f of 1 is also 1. Therefore the integration of x square is x cubed by 3 minus 1 to 1, and this is minus 2, and upper limit minus lower limit, that is 1/3 plus 1/3 minus 2, and we calculate this, get minus 4 by 3. Similarly, calculating e2, that is minus 1 to 1 x square dx, and the definition of e2 is given that half into f of minus 1 plus 2 into f of 0 plus f of 1. Here f of minus 1 equal to 1, and f of 0 is 0, and f of 1 is also 1. Therefore e2 equal to 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1/3. Therefore mod e1 equal to 4 into mod e2. Hence the option 3 is correct. Question number 13. The function fx, x when x belongs to q, and 1 by x when x does not belongs to q, is continuous. Option A, nowhere, at exactly 1 point, at exactly 2 point, at infinitely many point. KUMSC 2016. Solution. Since f is continuous, therefore x and 1 by x equal, then x equal to 1 by x, x square equal to 1, that is x equal to plus minus 1. Hence f is continuous exactly 2 point. The option C is true. Question number 14. Define fx equal to 1 divided by root x for x greater than 0. Then f is uniformly continuous on 0 to infinity, or B, option on r close r comma infinity for any r greater than 0. Option C, on open 0 r 0 comma r for any r greater than 0, or option number D, only on interval of the form AB for 0 less than a less than b less than infinity. NET December 2018. Solution. We know that if f maps AB to R, open interval AB to R, be continuous, then f is uniformly continuous on AB. If and only if limit extends to a positive fx and limit extends to b negative fx exist. Here fx equal to 1 by divided by root x. Therefore limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by root x equal to infinity. This implies f is not uniformly continuous on 0 to infinity and 0 to r, where r greater than 0. So our option number A and C are not correct. Now limit x tends to infinity 1 divided by root x equal to 0, and it is finite, and also limit x tends to r positive 1 by root x equal to 1 by root r. This is also finite. Therefore f is uniformly continuous on closed r and open infinity, that is semi open interval r comma infinity, where r greater than 0. Therefore option B is correct. Question number 15. The graph of the real valued function fx equal to 2 into log x and gx equal to log of 2x. Option A, do not intersect, intersect at one point only. Option C, intersect at 2 point, and option D, intersect at more than 2 point. CUMSC 2012. Solution. For common point for common points fx equal to gx, this implies 2 into log x equal to log 2x, because given that fx equal to 2 log x and gx equal to log 2x, therefore x square equal to 2x, and this is x into x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore either x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. But at x equal to 0 does not exist in the function because log 0 does not exist. Therefore the function intersect at x equal to 2. Hence option B is correct, since intersect at one point only, and that the point is x equal to 2 point. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get more videos.